Hi, welcome to 247 Tech. In this video we're going to do the unboxing and also test and how to use and pair this Mpow 059 Bluetooth headset 059, and this is a foldable Bluetooth wireless headphone. Talk time is between 13 to 20 hours. Here are some of the specs. This is for 13 hours continuous talk, and also it says talk time music 15 to 20 hours, and then the charging time is 4 hours, so it needs 5 volt battery, and the battery is 420 milliampere hour. So it says reminder, so it can be charged only via USB with a 5 volts, and then also it says for the support at xmpow.com. So we have USB charge cable and also 3.5 millimeter cable, the manual, multilingual, including English, Spanish, Italian, French, Dutch and Chinese. And also it comes with this. This is nice. When you touch it, this feels nice. Not some kind of cheap quality. Even the price is very low, but this is very good. This is very high quality with the price that we see. So it says memory protein cushion that can go over the ear. This is made very solid. All these hinges, they look very nice and solid. And also here, the touch and feeling of this is amazing. On Amazon.com it's sold for $36.99, and it comes with black, red, with blue, all these colors. On Amazon.ca it's sold for $46.99 with the same color that is available on Amazon.com. So the price that this one has, to make sure to understand that this does not have noise cancellation inputs. So the battery charger port is here, that is micro USB, that majority of the phones uses this. On this side we have a connector. To use it with your phone or with a device without Bluetooth, you just plug in this one, and on the other side will be inserted. By the way, this will not work as a microphone if you try to use this with a microphone, because for a microphone this should be used with Bluetooth. So on this side we don't have any button or anything. All the buttons are here. So the controls are on the right of the headset. So on this side we have these 4 buttons. This plus minus is to increase or reduce the volume sound. These 2 are for the next track or previous track. This is the power button, as well as the play and pause, and also you can hang up or answer the phone. So to power it up, just hold this. It fits very comfortably over the ear and it feels nice. So now let's weigh it in gram. 256 gram. So when you connect it to charge the battery, it shows red. Once the charge is completed, the light goes off. So this way you know it has been charged. Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth is now on. I'm pressing it. Now this is on. To go to the pairing, just hold this for a few seconds. It says pairing, the audio says. Now I'm on the Bluetooth option, I'm just adding more. Now it's searching for the available devices, and you will see the Mpow 059. Just touch it. It says pairing. it says connected, and also voice prompt said that it is connected. Now I'm gonna play some audio. So excellent quality. You can hear audio. So to increase the volume, just so when it reaches to the maximum,
Maximum volume. Coin goes global and can maximum volume. Maximum volume. Maximum volume. Maximum volume.
so it says maximum volume. So now let me reduce the audio.
Now you predicted Bitcoin's 1,000-fold increase back in 2011, and indeed from $1 in February 2011, your record high.
So it makes a beep when it reaches the minimum. Now let's go up.
Now, why does it keep growing, and is there any price limit for Bitcoin?
Maximum volume.
There is a price limit.
So it says maximum volume. Now I'm pressing this next button. Let's see, this video is a playlist, so we can go to the next track. Let's see if this works. Yes, I just pressed it and it went to the next track. So let me do it again. Another track. So it works perfectly with YouTube as well. And now let's pause the video, see if it works. Yes, the pause is also working on a video, so it means with audio it works, but I was just testing it to see if it can work with video. Yeah, played and stopped, so that's nice. While the video was playing, I went to the second floor, from the ground floor to the first floor. Absolutely perfect, high quality, good audio. But as soon as I moved to the second floor on the stairs, at the middle of second floor, it starts some disconnection or stop and start of audio. And when I went to the second floor fully, as I moved from the ground floor to the first and second floor, on the second floor the audio was just coming and going. So it doesn't work if there is two stories between you and the device. So it can go only from one floor to another floor. Perfectly, it works, but other than that, it will not. So now I'm trying to make a phone call from here, and I want to make sure that, let's see how it works. I'm just dialing it. So when it rings, the blue light is flashing.
Hello?
Hi, can you hear me? Okay, that's good. Good to hear you. So now let me see here, the call is in progress, and then hang up. And the call hang up. So as simple as that. So now let me use it as an audio recorder. I want to make sure that it can record audio. Recorder app. I want to use this as an audio recorder to see how it records audio. So it says start recording. I don't see any special sign here, but let me put it. Hello? Hello? The audio bar graph shows, so but still I don't know if it's coming from this device directly or it's from Bluetooth. But the Bluetooth is showing to be connected, and the bar graph works very well. So I'm just walking for a few meters away. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? 1, 2, 3. Hear me? Recorded audio. Let me play it here. As you can see here, the quality of this is a very good solid metal here, chrome finish. All these screws, all of those are very nice. The touch and feeling of this is also good. So this can be adjusted very nicely. So the cushion is very good over the ear. So let me put it in a bag. Conclusion is that this is one of the best headphones that you can get with a price. This doesn't have the noise cancellation, but the other all aspects of this device with a price is amazing. If you want to get the noise cancellation and a headphone with such quality, you will pay 5 to 10 times more. So definitely I will recommend this product. I have no affiliation with this Mpow brand.